Butch. Today I figured I'd take you on a journey to my job, what I do. Today's Saturday. I don't have all the guys working today. I only have a couple guys. We're gonna be doing some backfilling. We're trying to build a temporary parking lot because we have some 36-inch RCP and some structures to set. We got a flare end set in the lake Monday, so we have to get this parking lot opened up right here. So we got to put some base rock and stuff down to build a nice little parking lot for the people to park, because we're going to be shutting that side of the job down over there. I figured I'd just take you along. I'll do some time-lapse photos. I'm going to be on the dozer here. I got a dump truck dumping some base rock, and I have two loaders, two of my guys on two front-end loaders, grabbing base rock and fill from another pile over here. So I'll do a time lapse and you can watch me push dirt. Hope you enjoy. As always, stay bad. no more dirt that way because they're going to move that fence. So if you want to get the keys out of my truck and start rolling this. The guy from Coastal asked me not to push no more dirt this way because they're going to move that fence. So that's it. We'll be done here. I mean, if you want, you can start back dragging this. But I have Stevenson. He's going to start compacting this with the roller. Again, I'll finish up right here and we'll smooth it out so he can start rolling it. Thank you. Thank you, Marmondo. Hey. right, what's up, everybody? I'm here. This is Stevenson. These are my two favorite guys. I don't ever tell them that they're my two favorite guys because I don't want to go into their head. Yeah. But these are my two favorite guys. This is the lead pipe layer right here, and that's my traco operator, Armando Gordo. Yeah. These two guys work hard for me. That's why we're working a Saturday, getting them extra hours, and I let them come out and not the rest of the guys because these two guys work hard for me, so I want to take care of them and keep them happy. They did a good job today. We're getting everything done. Good job, guys.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you liked it. If you want to see more of it, I'll start shooting more. Just leave it in the comment below.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As always, stay bad.